water dog has to be steady. Steady means he honors other working dogs. Steady with the birds working out when you're calling, no whining, no moving about. And of course steady as the birds shot and fall. Steadiness begins with throwing a lot of denials. That is, we pitch bumpers around, back and forth over the dogs, and don't let them have the retrieve. 50 to 75% of what you throw should be a denial. Once we get our dogs steady sitting, then we have to start moving. We're walking, throwing those denials. After our dog is nice and steady to throwing bumpers, we have to move up to the bird. Birds are much more exciting. Here we have a pigeon with a tether and a harness. Pick up a pigeon, nice little harness and a string. You can control the bird because he's on a cane pole, should a dog break. We throw the bird around. He doesn't fly that way. And once we get them steady to the falling of the bird, the flight of the bird, the dogs are nice and steady, they're quiet, not moving, we know we're about ready to go to the field. But now let's turn up the heat. Let's let them dance. Steadiness matters.